Okay, so today what I want to talk to you about is recurring revenue. So as a marketer online, or selling your own products, doing affiliate marketing, whatever you're doing, you should always be looking at how can I promote products that can like pay me over and over again. There's nothing more powerful. In fact, I was checking my PayPal account today, and there was a payment there for $47, and I wasn't sure why that was in there. It's actually my personal PayPal account. I very rarely go into my personal PayPal account, and this was actually a recurring payment for a product which I promoted in 2009. And I got a payment today, and I've just checked my PayPal account, and I've been getting this every single month. Crazy. And this is the power of promoting recurring revenue products. Now, obviously, not everybody, like if you sell if you sell a product, a software product, a membership site, a mobile phone mobile phone plan, whatever it might be, you're not necessarily going to get paid forever. Some people might cancel, but you get a small percentage of people who will stay like a member or never cancel that program for sometimes years and years and years. And you don't need to sell very many of these to start generating a significant amount of money online. Now, this is something I want to talk about this Thursday. So this Thursday, what I'm actually doing is I'm hosting a special live training class. It's completely free to attend. And I'd love you to come along. So we're going to be talking about different recurring revenue models, how you can promote these products as an affiliate, if you're if you've got your own products. But what I'm also going to be teaching you is different traffic strategies which are ideal for recurring revenue products. We're going to be talking about the recurring revenue products, but we're also going to be talking about traffic methods. We're not going to be talking about paid advertising on Thursday. We're going to be talking about some different traffic strategies. In fact, these are the same traffic strategies I used when I promoted that product, which I told you about, which I'm still getting paid for $47 a month. Back then in 2009, I sold a bunch of them, and over the years, I only promoted it maybe a couple of times. Over the years, these people have slowly dropped off. But the point is, I'm still getting paid today, which is absolutely incredible. Absolutely blows my mind. But I'm going to be showing you the traffic strategy which I used to promote that very product back in 2009. And I have to say, it works even better today than it worked back in 2009. So look, I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. If there'll be a link on this post or below the video or something where you can go and sign up. Please, I'd love you to come along to this training. It is a live training, so you'll be able to ask questions. This is going to be like a video webinar, so you'll see my webcam and everything. But yeah, you will be able to ask questions, and I encourage these things to be interactive because I'm there to answer your questions because I want to make sure that you are successful. Now, at the end of this training, I want to make sure that at the end of the training, you will have everything you need to go away and start driving traffic to recurring revenue affiliate products, or even if you've got your own products, your own products, so that you can start making a recurring income from this traffic. And I really look forward to seeing some of the results you guys get. So click on that link and I'll see you on Thursday.